how you make a box cake. Hi, my name's Lauren.
My name's Olivia.
And we're gonna make a chocolate cake from scratch.
From scratch, our recipe.
Okay, so we're gonna start with white flour. I mean, you can use whole wheat, but let's be serious here. Sugar, like just normal sugar, baking soda, baking powder, and cocoa powder.
And for the liquid.
And salt.
So first you're going to need 3 eggs for the liquids, 1 1/4 cup of water, some oil, and some vanilla. So make it really tasty.
Even though it's a chocolate cake,
Even though it's
vanilla
chocolate,
just gives
vanilla
flavor
chocolate
to it.
cake.
And remember to preheat your oven to 350, and let's get started. Baking.
So first off, you just want to get a nice big mix master with a nice big bowl, and so.
Okay, and then just secure the bowl.
Okay, how much flour do we add more? 1 cup of flour.
You add 2. You can cut stuff out, right?
Yeah. First thing you'll need
is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and you can sift it if you want, and you can also use cake flour, but we're just gonna use all-purpose.
And one thing that makes our cakes really delicious is adding a lot of sugar. So we add 3 cups of sugar.
We only use a cup of white sugar.
So for this recipe, you can use 1 to 3 cups of sugar.
I recommend 1 cup of sugar.
I recommend 3.
Ingredients you're gonna need
3 tablespoons
of cocoa. 3 tablespoons of cocoa.
Got it.
You're gonna need 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda.
For the oil, you're going to need 3/4 of a cup, and for the vanilla, 1 teaspoon, and then 1 1/4 cup of water.
And 3 eggs.
Just put that all in your nice big mix master.
Okay, you might want to separate the dry and wet ingredients.
Oh yes.
Okay, so you can either mix it in either order. You can mix your dry ingredients first or your wet. So
we're gonna
let's get
speed
started.
it up.
Yeah.
So fast forward. In the mix.
We can easily just make a cake from scratch. Okay.
This is the toughest part. Once you have all your dry ingredients mixed in the bowl, you're gonna start adding your wet ingredients.
You're gonna mix
in a different bowl.
Yeah. Okay.
So.
What's that? Okay.
So first pour in the water.
No, first crack your eggs. Okay. How many? We disagree on many things, but that's
good.
Okay, so the proper technique is 1, 2, 3, open, and okay, so a nice technique I learned is just going in little circles, and you just break it up. Maybe you should check for shells first.
Okay, it's fine. We'll just eat the shells. That's good, right? They won't hurt you.
Whip it more, it just gets more flavorful.
Yeah, the more you whip, the more flavor. Know what it says on the package. Okay, fine. So first we're gonna pour in our water.
Okay.
Right in there. Get it all out. So now we're going to need 1/2 cup of oil. So we're gonna take our little thingy again and fill it up. And pour in the oil.
The oil is a very important part. You can use butter, but
oil is so much easier.
let's get real.
Okay, so now we're just gonna do a little extra vanilla. If this doesn't say you should do it, just do it anyway.
And teaspoon. So it should be turning a brown color.
Brown is really good for the health. Really helpful for your eyesight, and the color really strengthens your eyes. So if you have brown eyes, eat brown stuff. Green eyes, eat green stuff.
Okay.
Etc. So now just go ahead and pour it all in.
Not all, in little sections.
Little sections. Now add another section of your liquid.
Okay.
And add the last section. The biggest section.
Let
take your paper towel and rub it everywhere.
You have to kind of move. Okie dokie, so we are going to
Pour it right in there.
pour it in the pan. We really want to, wait, come here, come here.
What is it?
Use alphabets to take it out, but you really don't need it to put it in. I mean, just don't be stupid.
Top rack. You can see it's really jiggly inside.
I mean, the sides aren't jiggly, but this is jiggly, so you don't even need to check it with a toothpick.
Yeah.
The cake is almost done. Oh, whoop-de-doo. Shut the timer off. Looks good to me. Hashtag wife material.
You just take some
No, stop,
chocolate
Liv, no.
ganache, put it on there.